Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Thinking about retirement? A Roth IRA could be a fantastic tool for tax-free growth, letting your money compound without future taxes on withdrawals. And guess what? Setting one up on Robinhood is much easier than you might think. We'll walk you through each step, making sure you feel confident in starting your investment journey. It's truly a great way to invest for your future. So why choose Robinhood for your Roth IRA? Well, their platform is incredibly intuitive, making it super easy to navigate, even for beginners. They've streamlined the process of opening retirement accounts, which can often feel daunting. Plus, you'll benefit from commission-free trading within your Roth IRA, helping you keep more of your hard-earned money invested. It's a convenient option. First things first, let's talk about eligibility. The IRS has specific income limits for contributing to a Roth IRA, so it's good to quickly check if you qualify. Once that's sorted, open your Robinhood app and navigate to the Roth IRA section. You'll need to verify your identity and provide some basic personal information. Don't worry, the application form is straightforward and guides you through each field, making the setup process quite smooth. Now for the exciting part, funding your new Roth IRA. You'll securely link your external bank account directly within the Robinhood app. Remember, the IRS sets annual contribution limits, so be mindful of those as you plan your deposits. For ultimate convenience, consider setting up recurring deposits. This set-it-and-forget-it approach helps you consistently contribute to your retirement, building your wealth steadily over time without even thinking about it. With your Roth IRA funded, it's time to choose your investments. Robinhood offers a variety of options, from stocks and ETFs to options, so you can pick what best fits your strategy. Take some time to explore and select investments that align with your personal financial goals and how much risk you're comfortable with. Remember, a Roth IRA is a long-term play, focusing on consistent growth over many years for those amazing tax-free withdrawals in retirement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.